The YCharts Fund Screener is an incredibly powerful tool that allows you to take our entire fund universe of about 80,000 securities and screen that list down based on your desired criteria. Adding in specific metric filters allows you to narrow the universe with increased precision. Perhaps you prioritize expense ratio. For example, you can add the expense ratio metric to look for funds with an expense ratio between a certain range. Just add in your upper and lower bounds, click Submit, and all of the funds that populate below will be ones that meet that range criteria. There are hundreds of additional metric filters to choose from, but once you're satisfied with what you've built out, you can then save this screen to your account. The great benefit about YCharts screeners is this save function will enable you to hop back in, pick right up where you left off, and make changes at a later time. You can also share screens with your team, making for a great collaboration feature and allowing your colleagues to not have to reinvent the wheel every time they want to build out screens within YCharts. If you're not sure where to start, the Fund Screener offers several pre-built templates that are also very helpful if you're looking for a jumping-off point. As an example, clicking this Best Performing Large Cap Funds template automatically pulls in all of its preloaded criteria. But the best part is, the metrics are customizable from here. By clicking the pencil icon, you can add, edit, or delete it entirely by clicking that X, and when we scroll down to the table, it's all ready to go for your further analysis. The YCharts Fund Screener makes finding the right funds for you incredibly easy. If you'd like to get started, talk to us to start a free trial today.